In the Industry 4.0 era, data has become much larger and more complex. So standard data visualization can no longer meet the needs of industry. You can see from our background and motivation part in our poster. The software Wiz here mentioned in our project is a good way to provide real-time data processing and live visualization. Even people without relevant background knowledge can also quickly analyze the relationship between different data. The poster shows relevant data analysis cases. Here is the first case, and here is the second case, which can reflect the features and advantage of Wiz in data analysis and machine learning. Users can use Wiz from a browser, from our link, and download the data very easily. The following section will be a Wiz demo. You can see its function and how to use it. First, it's very easy to upload the data, and you can select the data you want to be the coordinate and draw the plot. When you choose different datasheet, the change is very clear. Each point has its own information. You can use a mouse to check it. You can even add more variables and draw a 5D graph. The fourth dimension is the size, and the fifth dimension is the color. And finally, you can enter the filter criteria directly in the table to choose what you want. After the analyze, you can download the result you want to the client. That's all. So we believe Wiz is a one-of-a-kind multi-user platform and will play an important role in big data analysis and machine learning in the Industry 4.0 era. Thank you.
Right, great. Mark, sorry, over to you.
Thanks, Simon. Fascinating poster, thank you. I think I saw in there that you were using, so forgive me if I got this wrong, but I think I understood you were using the Siemens MindSphere platform. And is that what you have this platform Wiz running on? And yeah. if I've understood that correctly, then my actual question was, what do you see the advantages of using that sort of cloud-based, sort of multi-connected platform as opposed to maybe a more just sort of conventional desktop-based analysis tool?
So you asked me how do I think of my application's advantage, right?
Please, yeah, because so what's the advantage of doing? Because if I understand Siemens MindSphere correctly, it's a cloud-based, operating system essentially for doing analytics in. So I'm just wondering what advantages you see from using that versus doing the analysis just on a desktop, using MATLAB or Jump or whatever.
Yeah, because like Python and MATLAB or some other software, the people need some programming skills and knowledge of the program. But for some industry stuff, they need direct result very quickly, and we hope our users can spare some time after they get their results. If they use our application Wiz, they can spare time to program and to write the code, and they can very easily find the different relationship and complexity between different variables in the data set.
Oh, okay, so is your approach here, is it similar to what Brendan from IBM was describing earlier of essentially making these tools much more accessible to call normal scientists?
Yeah, because our application is open source, and if the industry wants to use our application, they can download the code and improve it what they like.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Cheers.
Great, thank you, Mark. Thank you, Zhicheng. We have one more question in the text in the chat. I wonder if ANC, you could unmute yourself and ask your question.
Yeah, because our application is open source. If the industry wants to use our application, they can download the code and improve it.
Okay, somebody has YouTube running as well in the background as we have a delay. Okay, ANC, if you can't unmute, that's a shame. If you could change your name to who you are, that'd be very helpful as well. So the question was, which kind of data can be loaded, Jin?
I think every. Hi, can you hear me?
Yep.
Simon? Yeah. I think during our research, I think all the kind of data you can put in our application and do the analysis and draw the plot you like.
I mean, the system comes with a lot of input filters or pipelines that you can take different types of data then, or you're having to write this yourself?
Yeah.
Are you having to write? I mean, so MindSphere comes with a lot of different ways of taking data in, so it will take different types of data.
Maybe you need to change the type of the data into the right tempo of the file, and you upload the whole file into our website. Can you understand you right?
Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, thank you.